Hey beautiful people, welcome or welcome back again to my channel. Hope everyone is doing wonderfully well. Today we are making this delicious egg stew recipe. This was quick to put together and the outcome is so lovely. So guys, let's get started. In my pan, I will go in with some oil, let it heat for some few minutes, and then went in with some onion. I also added some chopped habanero pepper and then added some garlic. I'll then stir everything together and let this fry for some few minutes before going in with my other ingredients. So after some few minutes, I will stir everything and then go in with some chopped tomatoes and then stir. If you are seeing this channel for the first time, my name is Getty and you are welcome to my channel where we make simple and easy recipe. And if you are interested, kindly subscribe. After some few minutes on the fire, the stew is doing beautifully well, and then I went in with some dry smoked herring. I went ahead to stir everything beautifully. Thank you so much if you're a returning subscriber. Thanks for watching, for commenting, liking, and sharing my videos. I'm truly grateful. To my new subscribers too. You guys are amazing. So guys, our stew is doing so well. And as you can see, I'm just stirring it. I then went in with some seasoning. I added some black pepper, curry powder, some salt, and also shrimp seasoning. I will stir all together. Thank you if you have watched this video up to this time. Please don't forget to like, share this video among your friends and family. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to the channel. Okay, lovelies. So at this point, I went in with my eggs and I will just stir gently and then cover it for some few minutes. Okay, so after some minutes, this is it now. I will just stir again. Guys, the aroma from this recipe smells so amazing. This was quick and easy to put together with just some few ingredients, and you will definitely love it when you make this egg stew. So I then went ahead to add some sardine and also added carrot, green bell pepper, and onion. And these are the vegetables I will use. And please feel free to use any vegetables of your choice. So I will then stir beautifully and then cover it for some 5 minutes because I still want the vegetables to be crunchy. After 5 minutes, I will then give this a quick stir. Guys, our stew is looking so yummy, delicious, and colorful as well. Just look at this. This is so beautifully. So you can watch me on Facebook and also watch my detailed short videos on YouTube, short Instagram, and TikTok. The name is Ketiko and it is free. You don't have to pay any amount. All right, lovelies. So at this point, our egg stew is all done and ready. This was easy to make, and you can pair this stew with rice, yam, potatoes, and everything goes well with this stew, and it looks so inviting. If you find this video interesting, kindly give it a thumbs up and also share this video among your friends and family. And let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in my next upload and stay blessed.